Good morning, students. Welcome to Fun with Science class, and today's experiment is Magic Milk Experiment. Do you know, students, it is quite easy to turn ordinary milk into a rainbow of crazy colors. And for this experiment, we need milk, food colors, dish liquid, and a plate. So let's start the experiment. In the first step, what you have to do, pour some milk into a shallow dish or bowl until the milk covers the bottom. And here we have poured the milk. Now add some of food coloring on the milk. You can use a variety of colors. Just be sure to add 3-4 drops of each color. And students, after adding the food color, add a drop of dish liquid into the center of the milk. You will see that food colors have started dancing across the surface of the milk. Let's do it one more time. And do you know the key to the dancing colors in this experiment is dish liquid. Milk is a mixture of water, fat, vitamins, and minerals. And when dish liquid is added to the milk, it helps to separate the water and fat in the milk. This is very simple and easy experiment. Okay, and do try this at home. Do you know milk contains fat? The food coloring floats on the fat, and when you add dish liquid, the fat separates and moves the food coloring around. Thank you for watching. Do attempt this experiment and share your feedback with me.